Don Bosco Museum Mawlai kala penkut da kajing shit Rhem ya ka Museum Week kabala sedang nadu ka khandriu terek hadu arpau terek ujemang mentau snem. Baru kiri ha ka perthai gila rakhe ka Museum Week da kajing shong shit namar deleng ba kani ka ketem lum thop ya ki mar ki mata kiriam ki bed baru ki tiar gitar ba ki jat benri ki pendan kam nadu ba sedang ukhon benriu naga benta kajing tip ba jing sha hikai ya ki juk long din ki banwan. Kadon Bosco Museum Mawlai kala long kathup ba koridor naga benta ki Longdien hakani ka than lam mi ngi kari India. Uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor u IAS Chief Election Commissioner Meghalaya ulalong ukong san hakani ka jingalang penwai ya katayau rakhe museum. Haka jingkran uba Frederick ula penken mau baka jing koridor ba ka bor jong ka museum kalong baka ketik ki jingmut jogi breu ban tip ya ka menor haka we pat kalyang ka penthro ban angno dia ka lawe. Ula ongru badai kani kata kabor ba jong ka museum ban kring breu.
I was entering into your premises. It was such a joy to see so many people belonging to various communities visiting various galleries, and their eyes were twinkling with a lot of interest and with a lot of with a lot of eagerness to rush to the various galleries to see. That is the power of museums, to trigger interest, to trigger a sense of wonder, to learn something new. It is like a window into the past. It is like a glimpse into the future. In fact, the very word museum, the first 4 words is muse, M-U-S-E, muse. Muse is something that inspires you. When you want to write, when you want to create a song, it's something that is inspiring and that is that inspires you. So museums, and in particular Don Bosco Museum, has played such a significant role in the in the socio-religious fabric of our city and of our region, that now Don Bosco Museum is a mandatory point of visit. People will feel incomplete when they come to Shillong. They will feel incomplete if they do not come to the Don Bosco Museum.
Haka jo kapor kinong penyat ya kanika museum ki khot bat ki weri ki pat ba ban tur shakmat ban wan pet bat jungo daladehi ki mati barim jo ka menor bala lum bat penbet renti haka nika museum. Daki paulak ngut ki breu ki lawan jungo e kanika museum nado bala play pat ba hakini ki snam bala letno. Ki we pat ki bakran haka nika jingalang penwai tayau rakhi museum ki long Upadar Paul Ulingkot Provincial Kaseng Selection bat Padar Dennis Lafela Director Don Bosco Museum. Kiriuniam ki khna school kinong hikai bat kiriu pat ba kilawan ban shempenta haki babon ki program balapan long hakani katayau rakhi museum kabalapan I da shisha ka bor kring briu jongka. Think it's more than you can take, but she's stronger.